It's a skateboard. Skateboard, a mini skateboard.
Hi everyone, today we received a parcel from Amazon. Mommy, should we open it?
Yes. Did you order from Amazon?
Yeah.
What did you order?
Skateboard.
Ta-dan, ta-da-dan, ta-da-dan. I wonder what it is.
Oh.
Show me. Show me. Tap it.
Yeah, it's for my project.
What is it called?
It's for my project.
What is it for?
My project.
Tap it.
Yeah.
So what does it do?
It's a mini skateboard.
Mm-hmm.
And we're building structures for the skateboard.
So this is your project.
Yeah.
Show me. Okay. It says thank you, right? Thank you. And a lot of stickers. Here. What are these? What are these? These are the wheels. These are the wheels. I can't get it. Oh, this is the real thing. Can you pick that up? Show you. So yeah, this is very small. Very small.
This one is my favorite one.
So how do you play with this? Use a finger to do it?
Yeah.
Like this?
Yeah.
So this is how you do it?
Yeah.
Use your finger to do it? Ah, I didn't have that when I was young. So I don't know how to play with it.
They didn't invent it in that days.
Yeah. I used to play
Batok.
bato pick and also the tomba preso.
What's that?
You know that you have to knock down the cans. Tomba patis. We call it tomba patis. Or tomba lata. And then Chinese garter. And then what else? Bahay.
Oh, this is for the wheels, is it?
So, do you have a screwdriver to attach? Oh, you also have a screwdriver. A very tiny screwdriver. Everything is tiny.
We got some more stickers.
What is it? Show me. MJ ordered this from Amazon. It's called Tech Deck. And it's what you call this? Scooter.
No,
it's a skateboard. Skateboard, a mini skateboard.
Wrong one.
They have a nice design at the back, but the front one is the same.
Yeah, because
It comes with a tiny screwdriver. This is the wheels. This is this one.
screws for these.
For the screw.
Yeah.
Is it screws for that one?
That's the wheels.
How about this one?
That's for this one. That's holes.
That's for poking holes in this part.
Like this one.
So, okay, and it comes with a lot of stickers. So how do you play with that?
Want me to build one for you?
How do you do this?
This is very hard.
Let me see.
Which one do you like?
I like this. I like this blue one.
And what wheels do you like?
What wheels?
Like this?
No, I will have to choose mine. It's mine. Can I have red, please? Red. So how many do you need? 4. Was it? Yeah, 4. 4. That is. And how many? How many screws do you need? Oh, I can't open this one.
This tape.
Where? It comes with a tape. Let's see, where's my glasses?
I'll do it.
So we will build this one and we will show you bit by bit. more of those. What did you do? Okay. Oh no. You need a magnifying glass to do it. I did it. I put it back. This is hard. Oh no. Let me see. I need a magnifying glass to do this. My classmate can do that. Can do it. Oh. Where's the... Oh, that's not... Oh, you have to... You have to do it from here, Jay. Ah. Yeah. Oh, I think you have to do you have to do that. Or else you will be stuck forever. I can't find my glasses. Be careful because the capsule that you disable. Like that. This is good, Dada. You have to do it at the front, the tighten the screwdriver. You have to tighten with the screwdriver. It's a bit tricky. It's so flimsy. Once you got a grip on it, it's fine. This one is fine. Okay? Got it? Yeah. And the next one will be... Oh yeah. So this one is fine. It's a bit tighter now, so we're going to keep that then. Yeah. So we have to do the other one. Same process. Same. Is it this color? Is it this way? Is it this way? No, that's not the same color. It's not the same color? What do you mean? Like, it's that one, like that. So where's the... That one that you see, that one. Oh, this one? Yeah, that one. So which way it's facing? That way? Yeah, like that. Like this? I think you have to put the screws in first. Like that? Yeah. Jab. Okay, put the screws in first. That's too tiny. I need a magnifying glass. They're very tiny. I know that. I've been saying that million times. Tiny. So now we are going to put this. Okay, that one. Is it? No. One that's missing. I think that's the one. Okay, so how do I do this? Oh my, don't worry about it. Oh dear. Don't worry. One at a time. So I made this all in pieces. So now MJ will put the wheels on it. Yeah. So it's your turn to do that. It's quite tricky, but once you get grip of it, then it's fine. Do you need the light? It's just a wheels. You need help. There you go. Is it difficult? No? It's stuck in the hole. Oh dear. Alright, then I do it then. So it's too difficult to put the, what do you call this? The washer. Washer. So I will put it here. Why is it called a washer? I don't know. I think it's called washer. And then I will put this thing here. The wheels. Put this on the other side. I already done the other one. And now, oh, it's so tricky. So pasaway. But this one, I think I can deal with this one. Slowly but surely. There you go. Hopefully it will grip. or else I will lose it.
My classmate is a pro at this.
Who is it?
Thomas.
Thomas. Oh, ta-da! That's
Wow.
easy. Do you want to try yours?
Yeah.
Or you have to do this too, okay?
Yeah.
Alright, mister. Got it? Got it? Got it?
That's a one.
Yeah, it needs a lot of patience. Alright, put the wheels in. It's very small. Okay, and then tilt this down. Like that. There you go. There you go. And did you put it in properly? I can't see. Ta-da! Did you get it first time?
Yeah.
Wow, brilliant. That's really good. The last one? The last one?
Yes.
The last one? There you go. Ooh. Put the wheels in first. Put the wheel on and then the washer. Ooh, you have to do the paper like this. You have to tilt the paper. There you go. Then, can you see it? Oh. Thing with it is, it's quite tricky. Okay. Do you need help? Let's do the old fashioned. Okay. Yeah. You need an adult. Kids, you need an adult to do this one. An adult with a lot of patience. Okay. Can you do it? Ready? 1, 2, 3. And twist. And turn. And twist. And turn. Twist. And turn. And there you go. Oh, show me, show me, show me. So this is it. This is the skateboard. This is the ready-made one. This is the ready-made one that it comes in a box. So we made this one. Me and MJ made this one. I put all the wheels and assembled this thing. What is it called? Yeah, that thingy. That thingy.
Magic.
So anyway, alright guys. This is it. This is it. Punch it. So yeah, this is a skateboard.
Bye everyone. Thanks for watching.